I started working remotely recently, and believe me when I say that is the best thing that has ever happened to me. And yes, there are jobs you can do at night working from home, and you can even potentially earn more than those who work during the day. Just like myself that easily get distracted during the day, I was able to secure a remote night job from the hour of 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. each weekday. And no, I know that working at night is not for everyone. Working at night may not be your thing, but it has helped me boost my productivity and make me focus whenever I'm working. Whenever I'm working at night, I know, yes, this is work time. I'm not distracted by anything. I'm not distracted by family needs. I'm not distracted by online things, nothing at all. So if you're looking for something flexible, something quiet, and something to boost your productivity, these jobs may just be for you. Today, I would be recommending 5 remote jobs that you can do. So if you're interested in this content, keep on watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe to this channel, and as you do, God bless. The first job is online community moderator. The online community moderator is one remote job that is growing very fast. You know that some platform actually operates 24/7 and they need people to work during those times. So companies actually need moderator to work at night to help check comments, remove spam, and monitor community rule. Large companies like Reddit and Discord actually operate around the clock and they are seeking workers. Typical role for the online community moderator is reviewing posts and comments, enforcing community guidelines, removing inappropriate content, and keeping discussion respectful. You can find these jobs on Indeed, Upwork, and Fiverr. Coming on strong is number 2. This is called virtual dispatcher. This most surprising thing is that this job actually pays well. Now, a lot of companies actually move goods from different cities to another, mostly at night, so they need people to work for them. That is a dispatcher to help coordinate drivers, track deliveries, and to solve route issues. Your role involves communicating with these drivers, monitoring delivery, and responding to delay in shipment. Companies like Uber Freight and Convo are seeking workers, and you can find this job on FlexJob. You can find it on LinkedIn. You can also see it on Indeed. Job number 3 is called remote security monitoring. Just imagine this scenario. Instead of sitting in a booth at night watching the environment, many companies now have taken it digital. That is, they employ those ready to work from home to help monitor areas like playground, parks, and campuses. The remote security monitoring job actually surprises a lot of persons because they wonder how is it possible to monitor the environment while online. This role usually involves monitoring many CCTV camera feed, detecting any suspicious activities, and also to report incidents if there's any and contact the emergency services. You can get the remote security monitoring job in companies like ADT and Securitas. You can also find this job on ZipRecruiters, Indeed, and on LinkedIn. Job number 4 is called podcast editor. With the rise of podcasts, surprisingly, this job is now in demand. That is, people who are into podcasts are looking for editors, and most often time the best time to do this job is at night. Now you can get a job as a podcast editor no matter where you are from the world. It just takes you getting the file of the podcast and editing it at the comfort of your home on your devices. And typical tasks would involve editing the video, removing background noise, adding intro music, and many much more, balancing audio levels. And you can get these jobs on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour. This platform often hires freelancers. Job number 5 is AI data trainer. This is one of the newest remote jobs on board, and so many companies are looking for people, a well-trained AI specialist to help tag image, remove labeling. Roles involved in this task is evaluating AI responses, labeling images, and correcting AI generated text. To get this work, you can also use the Fiverr or Upwork to secure a job offer remotely as an AI data trainer. So if you've been looking for remote jobs, these are the 5 options that pays surprisingly well, and no one really talks about them. These 5 jobs enables you to work from home and work within your own time, within your own space, and most importantly, if you want something at night, something flexible. The key thing here is to make sure that you're applying on legitimate platforms like the Fiverr, Upwork, LinkedIn, and on Indeed. You can also use Glassdoor or ZipRecruiters. However, if you need guidance on how to successfully channel your application to the right platform and know the best option that suits you remotely, the best roles out there for you, then I'm inviting you to my upcoming mentorship program that is designed to help you land a job with ease, give you clarity on what are the employers, what are the companies hiring. This mentorship program is kickstarting very soon, so you can use the link in the description box to join the wait list, and I would see you inside. Don't forget to share this video to anyone you think it may be helpful to, and give it a big fat like, and also be subscribed. And as you do, God bless. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.